In this video, I'll show you how you can put text behind you using CapCut. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. First, we're gonna start a new project and we're gonna add our clip. Once you have the video, you can go ahead and click on text and add whatever text you wanna add to your video. Once you have your text, you wanna make sure that it's a little bit bigger than the person in front of the text, and you're gonna go ahead and click on the first clip and you're gonna duplicate it by scrolling to the right. Once you have your video duplicated, you're gonna click on the second clip and you're gonna click on overlay. Now you're gonna move the second video and you're gonna place it below the first one, and you're gonna go ahead and click on the bottom clip and you're gonna search for remove background. Once this is done, we're gonna click on the bottom clip and we're gonna search for layers. Now you wanna move the video in front of the text, and that's how you can put text behind you using CapCut. Hope that helps.